I'd like to start this video just basically explaining about the door. There's a few people asking, have had their phone stuck in there, asking how you open the door. So what you do, you turn the thing upside down, and what you'll find is you've got this mechanism here, release mechanism. You pop a screwdriver into one of the slots, and then you just sort of start turning them like that, and then you can slide the door one way or the other depending on which way you turn it. So now when you want to disassemble it, that'll stop there. Now there's a screw under there. So what you do, you open it to the CD side. Don't try this the other way because you'll break it. Pull it to there, and what you do, you put two fingers underneath there, you put your thumb on there, and you just pull them away slightly, and then it goes, and that will click, and then you can do that, and then you can get to that screw there, which is a bit of a nightmare to get through any other way, it would seem. So that's how you open that. You don't need to take the door off, but that's right. Now when I took the power supply out, well, better tell you about the fault, haven't I? Yeah, it was dead to start with. No life at all. Now some people say they blow fuses, but the UK version doesn't have any fuse in it. You've just got the usual suppression block up there, which was working. There's a continuity checked from the socket. So what formed the hot rail from the bridge rectifier there for the standby rail, that was working. Went down, well, the switch mode controller I see was getting its juice, and didn't seem to be running though. Even though it was attempting to start up, there was a little bit of voltage appearing on the secondary side, but it just kept shutting off. So I thought, alright, let's do a quick diode check. Put the meter in the diode check mode, and went over the diodes, only to find the rectifier there, that one, had gone dead short circuit. There's a rectifier of this chopper transformer back here, smoothed by that capacitor. I think they've called it what is it? D753, yeah. So that's probably something you need to check. Now the problem is, I think the reason it failed was because it's a little bit underrated. Let's see if we can get you in focus. Can you see it there? There you go. It's actually, I'm not sure of the rating of it because I couldn't find a data sheet for it, but I'd say it's probably about ½ amp rated. Now I don't know what an iPhone actually draws, but it obviously can't be over ½ amp, but it's very borderline to run a component right up to its maximum rating anyway. So the one I've replaced with, it's a Schottky barrier, quick recovery. It's rated at 3 amps now. It's just what I had to hand, really. I mean, a 1 amp would have done, but I've only got them in 3 amps. So, so that's that. There's something to check for anyway.